what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
Ja, war mal ein etwas anderes Video von mir. Das ist ja immer das Problem, was machst du aus Holzreste, die du noch hast. Deswegen jetzt mal eine kleine Geschenkidee für Ostern. Hier sind sie. Mal schnell 2 Eierbecher mit Häschen. Ja. Es ist ja immer was soll man den Leuten schenken? Ihr wisst selbst, wie es ist. So eine Kleinigkeit ist mal schnell selbst gemacht. Wie ihr jetzt auch im Video gesehen habt. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen, mal etwas anderes Video von mir zu sehen. Wenn es so ist, schreibt doch ruhig mal was unten in die Kommentare. Und lasst gerne ein Like oder ein Abo da. Und ja, ich hoffe, ihr schaltet beim nächsten Mal wieder ein. Bis dahin, euer Rücki.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till